Okay, thank you for having me. I will share my screen. Desktop. Can you see my screen? Yes, so today I'll be talking about two projects I'm working with. So the first one will be Genius Yield, and the second one is Maestro. So Genius Yield is a advanced DEX platform on Cardano. We are planning to build a order book-based decentralized exchange, and which allows us to introduce very advanced trading strategies and introduce advanced order types. We have three proposals that we have so far. The first one is the option trading, which is the one that is actually getting the most notice at the moment. We have designed a special contract that is able to allow us to trade options on our DEX directly. Options, for those that are not familiar, these are types of derivative instruments that allow you to create leverage trading and also hedge your risk. And so it's usually a tool that is used more for advanced traders, but it gives you that extra level of managing your risk, but also increasing your leverage. The second proposal is around what we call the cross-DEX aggregator. So a lot of the liquidity across most DEXs on Cardano are kind of fragmented, right? And to have a healthy kind of fluid flow of capital and minimize, price instability between DEXs, you need to provide an easy kind of route for people to trade tokens between pools and between DEXs. And so we're designing what we call so we've designed internally what we call a smart order router, which is a bot that will automatically route orders together in order to match them in our order book. And we realized that we can extend that architecture to also work with other DEXs. And so the goal with this proposal is to be able to have a bot that is able to combine orders and allow you to swap across multiple DEXs, allowing you to bring more efficiency in the capital, decrease volatility, but also open up new arbitrage opportunities for those bots. The third one is Atlas 2.0. So Atlas 1.0 has already been released. It is basically the main Pluto's backend that is running Genius Yield and Genius X at the moment, and it's also used by other projects. So this is, you may have heard of the PAB, the Pluto's application backend, or Lucid. These are similar solutions that allow you to basically interact with contracts, build transactions, and then submit them to the chain. And so they represent both the on-chain interaction and the off-chain transaction building and coin selection. So that's a very, as you can imagine, it's a core piece of infrastructure for any dApp on Cardano. It's open source, it can be used by anyone. And so in this 2.0 version, we're introducing more advanced features, such as parallel transaction, transaction chaining. We're also offering things like support for NFT metadata and other asset metadata, and a number of more advanced features that you can check on our proposals.